Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super important for business owners: how to create an IRS business account for 2025. Whether you're starting a new venture or updating your existing one, having an IRS account makes tax filing, payments, and communications way easier. This guide is straightforward, but remember, things can change, so always double-check the IRS website for the latest updates. First things first, before you get started, make sure you have your business details ready. You'll need your employer identification number, EIN, business address, and some personal ID for verification. If you don't have an EIN yet, pause this video and apply for one through the IRS site. It's quick. Step 1. Head over to the IRS website. Go to irs.gov and look for the Business section. There, you'll find a link to set up or access your online account. Click on that, and if you're new, select the option to create an account. Step 2. You'll be prompted to verify your identity. This might involve entering your SSN, answering security questions, or even receiving a code via email or phone. It's all about keeping things secure, so take your time here. Step 3. Once verified, enter your business information. Input your EIN, business name, address, and any other required details. The system will guide you through this. It's pretty user-friendly. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Double-check for accuracy because mistakes can delay your account activation. Hit submit, and you might need to wait for a confirmation email or text. Finally, once your account is set up, you can log in anytime to manage taxes, view notices, or make payments. For 2025, the IRS has made some updates for better security and features, so explore the dashboard when you're in. There you have it. That's how to create your IRS business account in a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.